Woodtech is leader in automatic seasoning kiln made with non-corrosive materials. More than 550 kilns installed and running successfully. Sliding door made out of aluminium. This single leaf door prevents leakages. Front aluminium dampers used to control the humidification inside the chamber. False ceiling or sub-ceiling made out of aluminium. This is the divider between the fans and wood stack. This partition helps us to flow the air from one end of the room to another end without short-circuiting. Fan frames and impellers made out of aluminium. Fan runs with forward and reverse directions to get uniform drying of timber. Class H insulation motor used inside the chamber to safeguard the winding insulation during drying process. Heat exchanger is made of stainless steel and extruded aluminium fins to get efficient heat transfer. Humidification system. It opens with water or steam when kiln chamber is too dry. K-box is the high precision and electronic device installed directly inside the kiln. This will help us to get data of room temperature, timber moisture and humidity inside the room. Inspection door mounted rear side of the kiln. It helps us to enter the chamber for emergency condition or periodic moisture checking. Electrical actuated spray valve automatically controlled by the program installed in the controller. Whenever humidification required inside the chamber, it opens and closes automatically. Electrical actuated heating valve automatically controlled by the program installed in the controller. Whenever heat required inside the chamber, it opens and closes automatically. As the front dampers, rear dampers also used to control the humidification inside the chamber. Hydraulic lifter, it helps us to lift and slide the single leaf door instantly. Wood stacking can be loaded manually or fork lift method. Wood should be stacked perpendicular to the air circulation direction with some certain gap using stickers. Size of the stickers depends upon the thickness of the wood. Stickers size should be equal from front to back to get uniform quantum of air to travel. Cellulose strips used for measuring the EMC. Moisture probes should be placed perpendicular to wood grains, 400 to 500 mm from the edge and with a gap of 30 mm between the two probes and depth up to the core of the wood. Four location high precision moisture probes with stainless steel pins connected to the K-box to timber. Moisture probes to be placed having more moisture content of the wood. The selected more moisture timber to be placed in the center of the pallet. Our kiln controller consists of 50 general species program schedule. Each schedule consists of 8 phases in the controller. First phase is heating phase. Increase the room temperature at regular intervals. Second phase is conditioning phase. Maintain the required level of temperature and humidity inside the chamber. Third, fourth, fifth and sixth phase are the drying phase. Drying process happens in the timber from the initial moisture content to set the moisture content. Seventh phase is conditioning phase. In this phase, again increasing the kiln humidity level and maintain for certain hours. It helps to control uniform drying of all the timbers. Eighth phase is cooling phase. In this phase, heating valve is completely shut off. Timber deformation will happen when main door suddenly with high room temperature and low humidity. So fans runs continuously with forward and reverse directions to get faster cooling and to bring down the chamber temperature to atmospheric temperature. Once the 8th phase is completed, then controller gives to standby mode. Unloading can be done after the cooling phase. During all the phase, the actuators of damper, heating and spray works automatically according to the timber requirements.